Introducing the smartest way, trading expert option with the Smart Trade Indicator. Just wait for the notification window to pop up, then select the pair. You can trade for 1 minute up to 5 minutes, depending on your strategy. Look, there's an alert. AUD, USD, has buy signal. Let's trade to it. We can also wait for another signal to notify us so that we can trade with another pair. You can download this strategy at ultimatefxtools.com. See the full video on how I exactly trade with the indicator. Look at previous trades, straight wins, and almost profitable entries. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell notification button to see the latest updates trading with expert option. See the full video on how to use this strategy.